Smart Up Your Life.
101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Welcome back to Smart Up Your Life. So we will back to our speakers. We'll continue our discussion tonight. And yeah, in this last session, maybe we are going to ask one more question to our brother, Kak Nahwi. Yeah, Kak Nahwi. Do you think that do fasting is hard to do is in Ramadan or even in another month instead of Ramadan?
I have heard a word, a sentences, a wise word saying that the beginning is always the hardest.
Yes.
So yeah, at first probably is totally hard, especially when we go back several years ago when we were child. Usually we are forcing by our parents to do like fasting, but we can't. But yeah, as time goes on, we are getting used to it. So we are getting used to do fasting, even though without forcing from our parents. And then I think doing fasting outside Ramadan, actually it depends on the people itself. So if you are really encouraged, like if you are really if you want to really do the fasting outside the Ramadan, it's totally good for you, especially if you have like a specific purpose, especially if you have like healthy purpose. So yeah, why not? I suggest you to do fasting outside Ramadan. And then to me, talking about whether or not myself do fasting outside Ramadan, I have, if I'm not mistaken, I have performed it before. If I'm not mistaken, the fasting, namely Shawwal fasting.
Shawwal.
The fasting that you do after Ramadan. If I'm not mistaken, it's around 7 days, isn't it? 7 or
6 days.
6 days.
Yes.
Yeah, 6 days. If I'm mistaken, I have performed that things, and then it's really beneficial, especially to control your bad emotions. Like and
like
also it gives you it gives you also like I don't know, it gives you like calm inside your heart. I don't know, and also your body feel like more healthier than before. So I think that's all. Probably at first it will be hard, but as time goes on, trust me, it will be easier than before.
Okay, thank you, Kanawi. So next, Kak Ichal. Yeah, what do you think the conclusion of our discussion tonight?
Wow.
Yes,
Wow.
talking about benefits of fasting.
I think that's your job to conclude, but okay. Maybe the conclusion is that like fasting is having so much good benefit to us. It also like appear in not only in Muslims community or Islam's religions, but also in other religions such as like Christian or Buddha and others. And it's also like for what did I get from our speaker, like hunger and thirst is easy to handle, but it's more a problem about the desire itself. I think like defeating the devil in ourselves. I think it's the purpose of fasting itself. Maybe that I get.
Okay, thank you, Kak Ichal. Okay, so everyone, no matter, even if you are not Muslims, you can also do fasting for health purpose. You can also do it because it's not only have benefits in religion, but also in health. Okay, so the last question, maybe one of you can give us new words or vocabularies or even idioms that you get that related to our discussion tonight. So maybe Kak Aini?
Yeah, I have one idioms.
Okay.
It is hold your horse.
Hold your
Horses.
horses. Oh,
Yeah.
horses. Okay,
Means
what's
that-
the meaning?
Yeah, like you can control yourself or calm down. Yeah.
Oh, hold your horses.
Yeah, or your desire or something bad from yourself.
Oh, okay. So fasting can also
Yeah.
called as hold your horses.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, another one. Maybe Kak Yusril. Do you have vocabularies?
Yeah, I don't have idiom, but vocabulary that I know is if you want to say buka puasa,
Oh, buka puasa.
you can say break the fast.
Break the fast.
Yeah.
Break the fast. Oh.
And sahur, you can say pre-dawn meal. Yeah. That's useful. That's useful for in fasting month. If you want to say that word. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Kak Yusril. So break the fast and also pre-dawn
Meal.
pre-dawn meal. Okay, next Kak Fikri maybe.
Well, I just want to add not some, but a phrase from you. You've mentioned about buka puasa in English, which is break the fast, and we can also call it iftar.
Oh, iftar.
Yes, and then the things that every Indonesian person does is ngabuburit
Oh, ngabuburit.
with their friends, their pacar, something like that.
Oh, their
We can-
girlfriend or their boyfriend? Oh.
Yeah. But that's our culture. Well, you can say break the killing the time
Killing
before
the time.
iftar.
Oh, before
Yeah.
iftar. So, iftar is it American words?
I don't know.
English? Oh, Arabic.
yeah.
Oh, Arabic. Okay, iftar.
So the last, don't ngabuburit with your girlfriend or boyfriend. That's
Because-
haram.
Because of what? Okay, thank you for our speakers. So smart listeners, that's all our discussion tonight. So yeah, talking about benefits of fasting. There are so many benefits of fasting in religious ways and also in health ways. So if you do it for religious, so it has moral value in your religion, and it also can be beneficial for your health, for your body, because fasting is not only for Muslims but can also do by everyone in the world. So everyone, thank you for listening to our discussion. We hope to see you in next week in Tuesday at 7 p.m. Yeah, and yeah, so that's all our discussion tonight. Bye bye. See you.